You are one decision away from completely turning your life around. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, lost, like you're wasting your potential, then this moment is for you. We all reach a point where we say, enough is enough. You're tired of waking up every day with regret, tired of breaking promises to yourself, tired of being average. A year ago, I was just like that, frustrated, unmotivated, angry at myself. But something clicked. I stopped blaming others and took responsibility. Step 1. Brutal self-reflection. The first step is simple. Be brutally honest with yourself. Write down 3 things. What do you want to change? What won't you tolerate anymore? And which past mistakes you will never repeat? This isn't about guilt. It's your wake-up call. Step 2. Eliminate the poison scene. Cutting junk food, turning off social media. You can't build a better life if your environment is toxic. I cut out junk food destroying my energy, cheap dopamine, scrolling, binge watching, gaming, people who drain my ambition. Remember, you can't fill a glass with clean water if it's full of dirt. Step 3. Build the right habits. Once you make space, fill it with habits that fuel growth. Wake up early, eat clean, avoid sugar until dinner. Write 2 goals every night and crush them first thing. Success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things consistently. Step 4. Learn from the greats. Want to fast track your growth? Read or listen to people who've already walked the path. Audiobooks changed my mindset while I cooked, trained, even cleaned. Don't just scroll, absorb wisdom. Step 5. Discipline over motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline is what carries you on the darkest days. On days when you want to give up, that's when it matters most. Action builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. And momentum builds a new you. Step 6. Set clear goals. Don't say, I want to change. Say, I will train 5 days a week. I will sleep by 10 p.m. I will eat clean. Specific goals equals real results. They give your life direction and kill distractions. Step 7. Trust the process. Change doesn't come overnight. You'll feel stuck. You'll fail. You'll feel alone. But every time you show up, every time you choose growth over comfort, you take one step closer. Like the Stoics said, first, decide who you want to be, then do what it takes. Imagine 6 months from now, waking up with energy, living with purpose, looking in the mirror, and finally being proud. It all starts with one decision, the decision to stop surviving and start fighting. The question is, are you ready to take control? Because no one's coming to save you. It's you versus the old you, and you're not losing this time.